Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about what does it mean to be under contract in real estate. Okay, when you are under contract in real estate, that means that there is a contract that's pending on a property. So if you are the investor and you are wanting to place a property under contract, you need a contract. So you use a contract, you send it to the seller, you sign it, they sign it, and you deliver it to a closing attorney or a title company. At that point, the property is under contract. So technically, everybody has to sign it, and you need to take it to a third-party escrow agent and deposit earnest money into escrow. At that point, right, it becomes under contract. Now, in theory, you can write the contract up to say the earnest money is due at a later time too. So again, in theory, you're supposed to have earnest money deposited, but a contract can be written lots of ways. So the only thing that we're talking about typically, us investors, whenever a property is placed under contract, is just that you and the seller agree in writing. That's it. That's really all it means. That you have the ability to purchase it on said date at said amount. It's really that simple, guys. So if you are brand new to real estate investing and you want to learn more about how to get a property under contract, head on over to discountpropertyinvestor.com. We have all sorts of free resources over there to teach you how to get started. And there's actually free contracts, all kinds of cool stuff. But that's what it means whenever you hear how to put a property under contract, or what does it mean whenever you put a property under contract. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.